Hello teachers, today we are going to teach you about the class progress. Class progress is very important. Teacher have to update the class progress of each class after completion. So here we have mentioned the process how to update the class progress. Now we are going to teach you this thing in detail on the Swfln admin panel. For updating the class progress, teacher have to log into the Swfln admin panel. So here, teacher have to enter the username as a racer contact number and the password and click on the login. Once you will click on the login, this page will be open. Here in the left hand side, teacher have to drag their mouse. Teacher will get so many options. Now from this bar, teacher have to drag this down. Now here teacher will get the class option. Teacher have to click on the class, and after that teacher have to click on the future class. Once you will click on the future class, this page will be open. Now here teacher have to apply the date range. Suppose for applying the date range, teacher have to click here a single time and this calendar will be open. Now here teacher have to select the date, today's date. So while selecting the date here, teacher have to click two times. Why? One is for date range start, one is for date range end, and after that teacher can cross check here two selected. That means you have clicked two times on a single day. Now click on the OK and apply. So once you will click on the apply, from this bar, drag this down. Now this is a dashboard. Here, teacher can able to see all the classes for that particular day. Now, teacher have to drag this dashboard from left to right like this. So teacher will find this option progress here. Now, before teaching you this option, we have to inform you about this lesson plan link. So as per the lesson plan link, we have two rules. First rule says, suppose this PPT contains 20 slide and in today's class, you're ending with the class with 15 slide or 16 slide. So after the class, no need to assign the homework. But yes, if you are completing all the slide, then after the class, you have to assign the homework. So what I mean to say here, on completion of every lesson plan, teacher have to assign the homework. Now we will teach you how to update the class progress. So here in the dashboard, teacher will find the progress option in every class. So for updating that, teacher have to click on this progress. This page will be open. Now we will get two option here: chapter completion, homework given. In chapter completion, we have three options: in progress, completed, completed, new started. So we will explain you one by one. So this is my first option, in progress. So what does this mean? This means a teacher is acknowledging to the Swfln that in my this class I have not completed my lesson plan. My chapter is in progress. So if the chapter is in progress, no need to assign the homework after the class. So here in the homework given, teacher have to go with the third option stating that lesson not yet complete, hence homework not given, and update the class. Now we have second option, completed. What does this mean? This mean that a teacher is acknowledging to the Swfln that I have completed my lesson plan. So if you are completing, choose the option completed, but leave the column blank. No need to choose any option and click on the update. So by default, it will take yes. So next time, whenever you're opening the same class progress, by default, you will get here yes option. You are not able to find any other option here. Now, third option, completed new started. So what does this mean? This means suppose in my today's class, I have continued with my previous class chapter and I have completed it and started the new one, but I'm not completing that. So this means you are acknowledging to the Swfln that in this class, I have completed my lesson plan and started a new chapter for this class, but you are not completing. So this means this chapter is in progress for this new class. So if the chapter is in progress, no need to sign the homework. Then go with the option here stating that lesson not yet complete, hence homework not given, and update the class. Now I'll teach you about one more option here. While assigning the homework, if teacher will not find any assessment, how to update the class progress. For that, teacher have to mark here completed. Why? we have completed the lesson plan, and here go with the option homework not available for this chapter session in the system. What does this mean? Here teacher are acknowledging to the Swift Learn that there is no homework. So once you will update this option, my content team will receive the notification for the same. Now, next tab we have here homework not needed for this class section subject. What does this mean? So this means that this option is only for those who are teaching English. Why? As a Swift Learn, we have observed that in the English there are few chapters. On completion of that chapter, no need to assign the homework. Now, as a teacher, how you will get to know? So whenever teacher is completing the lesson plan on the last slide, last PPT, my content team is mentioning that for this chapter, no need to assign the homework, update the class progress. For that classes, that chapters, teacher have to mark your classes are completed and go with the option homework not needed for this class section subject and update the class. Now I'll teach you one more thing about this option. So as you know that about the doubt class. So on completion of every chapter in paid class, teacher will get the doubt class. So if you are getting the doubt class, once you will end with the doubt class, teacher have to mark two things. First, attendance, and after that, teacher have to update the class progress in this manner. Mark your chapter completion completed, and here go with the option homework not needed for this class section subject, because in doubt class there is no requirement for assigning the homework, right? Now understand trial class. So whenever teacher will get the trial class and teacher is completing the lesson plan, now in trial class it is completely a teacher choice after the class if they wanted to assign the homework or not. So if they wanted to assign the homework, then teacher have to update attendance, assign the homework, and here go with the option completed, leave the column blank and update the class. But if teacher is not assigning the homework, then teacher have to mark attendance and update the class progress in the same way. Mark chapter completion completed, and here go with the option homework not needed for this class section subject and update the class. In this way teacher can update the class. Now we have next class, paid class. In paid classes, on completion of every class, it is mandatory teacher have to assign the homework. So in this way, you can update the class progress. Thank you.